If you want to permanently delete your Dropbox account, follow these steps carefully to ensure that all your data is removed. Make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. Step 1. Sign into Dropbox. Go to the Dropbox website and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the General tab. In the Settings menu, click on the General tab. Here, you will find various options related to your account. Step 4. Find the Delete Account option. Scroll down to the bottom of the General tab. Look for the Delete Account section, which will provide information about the consequences of deleting your account. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. Click on the Delete Account link. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. You may need to enter your password again to finalize the deletion process. After completing these steps, your Dropbox account will be permanently deleted and you will no longer have access to any files stored in it. Make sure you have saved any important data before taking this action.